Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making strawberry love notes. The ingredients that we're going to need today are pie crust, strawberry pie filling, egg, and powdered sugar. Okay, so we're going to need 2 pie crust, 1/2 a cup of your strawberry pie filling. We're going to need some confectioner's sugar. There's no measurement for that because we're only sprinkling it on the top at the end. And also 1 egg, and you want to beat the egg. That's going to be for your egg wash. You can set your oven to 375 degrees. Okay guys, you want to roll out your pie crust. You also want a small heart-shaped cookie cutter. So all I'm going to do now is take a sharp knife. That's going to cut across. And all we're doing is cutting off the edges to form a square. Now, on the excess pie crust, all you want to do is cut out some hearts. Okay guys, now that you have your square, we're going to cut down right down the center and over in the middle. Now we have 4 squares. Now you want to turn your square till it looks like a diamond. Next, we're going to get some of our pie filling, and we're going to place it right in the center. Now you're going to fold it until it looks like an envelope. Now you want to take one of your hearts and we're going to place it right on top, just like that. All I'm going to do now is repeat the process. Okay guys, so this is what it should look like. And you can also do the other pie crust the same if you want to make more. Okay guys, on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, you want to place them on top. What I'm going to do now is get my egg wash. And I'm just going to go over top of the pie crust. Okay, now we're going to place them in our oven, 375 degrees for 15 minutes. Okay guys, while our strawberry love notes are baking, here's another idea for the second pie crust if you wanted to make something different. I'm just going to go in with another heart-shaped cookie cutter, a bigger one this time, and we're going to make some strawberry pie pops. With this size, it's going to make about just 2 of them, unless you want to roll your dough out and make a couple more. Okay guys, I have some lollipop sticks. So I'm just going to put it onto my pie crust and press down, not too hard. You don't want it to go through it. I'm going to do that for both of them. Then you want to go in with your remaining strawberry pie filling. We're just going to put a little bit in the center of both. Okay guys, now I'm going to take my smaller heart-shaped cookie cutter. Just going to go in the center and cut out the middle. Just like that. Now we're going to go over top and place it just like that. See how pretty that looks. Now we're going to grab a fork, and all we're going to do is press down along the edges to close it. Okay guys, once you're done, we're going to place it on a piece of parchment paper on a baking sheet. Once you have them on your baking sheet, we're going to go in with our egg wash again, and we're just going to go around the pie crust. I'm going to coat it really good. Now they're ready to go into our oven, 375 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay guys, our strawberry love notes are done. I have them on a wire cooling rack. We're going to let them cool off completely. Okay guys, this is totally optional. If you want to add some confectioner sugar over top, I put it into a sifter. I'm just going to sprinkle lightly. Okay, my strawberry pie pops are done. I'm going to let them cool off completely. And you can also take a little bit of confectioner sugar again, just lightly go over top. Look how pretty they look. Okay guys, so here we have it. A nice little treat for Valentine's Day. Our strawberry love notes and also our strawberry pie pops. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.